Hi everyone, I'm makeup artist Lisa and I'm here today to show you a really quick 5-minute makeup face type thing that I've been doing. Whether it'll actually be 5 minutes because we're chatting, who knows. So I completely missed my eye there with an eye drop. I start off with an eye drop because I do get quite watery eyes, and this way if I do it at the beginning it's not going to ruin my makeup, and then you know how your eyes go a little bit blurry. If you're squeamish with putting things in your eyes, what you can do is you can get sprays that you can pop on your eye when your eye's closed. So Tatcha lip balm. So these are products like this week I've had to like go out, look a little bit presentable, be a bit like bish bash boshy, look cute as a fruit in a snap, in a pinch, you know. So got my skincare on already. Aborian Red CC Correct, love this product. It's a great product, and you can apply it with sort of just slapping it on with your fingers if you're that way inclined, or you can put it on with a brush. Both ways work really well. I'm using the It Cosmetics brush. I love this brush because it's big and it's quick, and anywhere you want a bit more. I might have picked my face a little bit this morning, so there's a little bit of redness and blemishes sort of coming out. But what I love about this product, for me this product works really well in the winter. In the summer this gives me Casper vibes. It's not cute. Just putting on a little bit more because I didn't put on quite enough, but I can just build up over those marks. And notice when I'm using the brush, it's very, very light pressure. So as you know, we are renovating the house, or will be very, very soon, and this week we bought a kitchen. I'm so excited. I'll pan on here and show you a quick 360 of the kitchen to give you an idea. Granite worktops, hopefully. Black kind of satin cabinets, handleless systems, soft close everything. It's gonna be sexy. It's gonna be sexy. The floor is not the one in here. This was just any floor to sort of go with what we had anyway. Back to makeup. Here we go. The NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. This concealer is life. This concealer, I don't think for me anything else quite tops this concealer, so I'm just placing this over any of my unwanted friends, which there are a few, and that's okay. And I'm using the shade Vanilla Light 2, and I'm going to leave that for a minute. I'm just going to leave that to cook, to process, to think about its life choices. And I'm going to go in with a quick brow, because I feel that if you have a brow, you look like you've got your life together. This is the Merit Brow Gel, and this is the shade light brown. Not even a light brown, just a brown. I normally like to go for a dark blonde in my brow because it just looks a bit softer. I'm just using my fingers just to clean up them edges. How nice is that? And I'm letting that concealer sit so I can get the full impact of the coverage from it. Quickly and effectively. And you can just use your finger to... So this has like a tint of colour to it. So what happens is it almost draws a little bit of product onto the skin, and then you're left with this. Okay, so now we are gonna curl these lashes. Sometimes I don't have time for mascara sometimes, and because I've got quite dark lashes, it's not like the biggest thing in the world if I do forget to do mascara. These are the Tweezerman Pro Lash Curlers. The important thing with a lash curler is to find like a good bend on it to suit your eye shape. Like if your eyes are flatter, use ones that have a flatter curl. If they're like rounder, use ones with more of a rounder curl. Curve, not curl. Okay, okay. So notice when I'm blending that, I'm not swiping the product. I can in a minute, but I want to keep the coverage in that area. I always find around the nose we always are a little bit red. Then we want to brighten the eyes. I just look so tired. I've not been sleeping great at the moment. So you can flip it, reverse it. I was with my friend the other day and I told her to get this brush, and I was just on the phone to her before filming this and I forgot to ask her how she's getting on with it. How nice. Is that then? 2 more steps and we're done. Bronzer. This is the Merit bronzer in the shade Leo. I've been liking it. It's not kind of, even though it's in a stick form, it's not too sticky and icky. I like to do a bit on the eye, on the outer corner, just to sort of really lift. So it kind of looks like a bit of eyeshadow. And to plump the lips, I go around the lip edge. It looks a bit crazy, but trust me. Go back to our brush. See how it seamlessly blends quite easily. And it's just giving me a bit more shape. I'm sort of working more in an upward motion so it's like seamless into the hairline. And bronzer just avoids you kind of looking flat. Quick bit of Merit blush. This is in the shade Beverly Hills. Do a bit on the lips, just pop it on everywhere. Again, working in an upward motion. Oh, got an itch. If you get an itch on your face and you don't want to scratch it with your finger, just get your brush. Okay, quick shot of mascara, then we're done. So when you're not talking about houses or what your products you're using, this is the Lancome Lash Idole mascara. I love it. The Merit blush is nice too. I mean, it's got a little bit of tack, so it might not give you like the full wear of a long day. But it looks fresh. Then I'm just going to powder for a bit of longevity. Trigwell, and then the Beauty Pie One Powder Wonder. Such a good product. I use one in my kit, I use one on myself. And there you go. 5-minute face, which is a little bit longer because we've been chatting, but you get the drift. And if you didn't have your dressing gown on, you'd be ready for the day. So there you go, my friends. What do you think? Did you enjoy this speedy, quick face? I mean, I think this sort of makeup's perfect, like day to day, going to work, meeting a friend for a quick coffee. You know, you could even whack a gorgeous bold lip on with this and then blazer. Woo, fantastic. Beautiful, beautiful, yes. Anyway, that's that. If you're not subscribed, hit subscribe. Damn you people, come on, subscribe to this channel. That was a fun little video to do. I always take requests, so pop them below. Let's get chatting. Tell me, in fact, what are your favourite products for a quick 5-10 minute face? Go. Tell me, tell me, tell me. I'm intrigued. Maybe I'll recreate your routines. How about that? That could be quite fun. But I love this. Can't go wrong with it. Follow me on Instagram, follow me on TikTok for more daily content. And I shall see you next Sunday. Adieu.